Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N. Amasai High School. We will continue with our chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Now students, let us continue with our exercise 11.3 question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Take pi equals to 3.14. Students, here we have to find out the cost of polishing a circular tabletop whose diameter is 1.6 meter and the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. यहाँ पर हमको एक सर्कुलर टेबल टॉप जिसका डायमीटर 1.6 मीटर है उसका पॉलिशिंग का कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करना है एंड द रेट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग इज रुपीज 15 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. Now solution for question number 8. Here the diameter of the circular tabletop was given, that is 1.6 meter, and first of all we will find out the radius of the circular top. तो रेडियस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला है डायमीटर डिवाइड बाय 2. डायमीटर इज 1.6 मीटर. 1.6 मीटर डिवाइड बाय 2 विल बी 0.8 मीटर. Now students, we have to find out the cost of polishing the circular tabletop. To find out the cost of polishing a circular tabletop, first we will find out the area of the circular tabletop. To find out the area of circular tabletop, the formula is pi r square. Pi, we have to take 3.14 as it is given in the question and multiply by r square will be 0.8 square. So 3.14 multiply by 0.8 square means 0.8 into 0.8. Now 3.14 multiply by 0.8 multiply by 0.8 will be 2.0096 meter square. So now students, we will find out the cost of polishing the circular tabletop. Cost of polishing 1 meter square area will be rupees 15. It's given in the question कि 1 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया को पॉलिश करने का कॉस्ट 15 रुपीज है. सो टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ पॉलिशिंग 2.0096 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2.0096 विथ 15. सो 2.0096 इंटू 15 विल बी रुपीज 30.144. Therefore, cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square area is rupees 30.144. Now question number 9. Shruti took a wire of length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its side? Which figure enclose more area, the circle or the square? Take pi equals to 22/7. Students, here what is given in the question is that a wire of length 44 सेंटीमीटर इज गिवन. एक वायर है जिसका लेंथ 44 सेंटीमीटर है. उस वायर को आपको सर्कल के शेप में बेंड करना है और उस सर्कल का आपको रेडियस फाइंड आउट करना है एंड एरिया भी फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर वो सेम वायर को अब स्क्वायर शेप में बेंड करते हैं तो ईच साइड का लेंथ कितना होगा एंड विच फिगर विल एंक्लोज मोर एरिया, किसका एरिया ज्यादा होगा, सर्कल का के स्क्वायर का. And we have to take pi equals to 22/7. Now solution for question number 9. Length of the wire is equals to 44 centimeters given in the question. वायर का जो लेंथ है वो 44 सेंटीमीटर है, वो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. If the wire is bent into a circle, अगर ये वायर जो है हम सर्कल शेप में बेंड करते हैं, so the circumference of the circle will be equal to length of the wire. जो circumference of the circle होगा वो length of wire के equal में होगा. So here if we write the formula of circumference equals to 2.2 pi r. Now here the value of circumference will be 44 as here circumference of the circle is equals to length of wire. So here in the place of circumference we will write 44 equals to 2 multiply by, in the place of pi we will write 22/7 and radius we don't know. So here in the place of radius we will write r. Now 2 multiply by 22/7 will be 44/7. Here 44 we will write here as it is, multiply by R. Now students, we will transpose this 44 upon 7 here. We will bring this 44 upon 7 here. So radius will be 44 multiplied by 7 upon 44. 44 ones are 44. Here also 44 ones are 44. Therefore, radius of the circle will be 7 centimeter. Now students, it was asked in the question to find out the area of the circle. To find out the area of the circle, the formula is pi r square. Here in the place of pi, we will write 22 upon 7 and r square we will write 7 square. That is 22 upon 7 multiplied by, in the place of 7 square we will write 7 multiplied by 7. Here this 7 and this 7 we will cut here. Now 22 multiplied by 7 will be 154 centimeter square. So the area of the circle is 154 centimeter square. Now if the wire is bent into square, now the same wire which was of 44 centimeter is to be bent into a square. See now students, जो वायर था 44 सेंटीमीटर का, अगर आप उसको बेंड करते हो स्क्वायर शेप में, so the length of each side of square will be 44 divided by 4, that is 11 centimeter. So अगर आप उसको स्क्वायर शेप में बेंड करते हैं, so एक साइड का लेंथ होगा 44 divided by 4, that is 11 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of the square. To find out the area of the square, the formula is length multiplied by length. So here length is 11. So 11 multiplied by 11 will be 121 centimeter square. So here students, in the question it was asked that which figure encloses more area. So we can say that area of circle is greater than area of square. Therefore, circle encloses more area. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.